Hello everyone, it's Cyrus here. Welcome to Cyrus Drifts. Today we're going to get some new tires for my truck. You've only seen the one video on this truck. If you haven't watched that, I recommend watching it. It'll give a good perspective of the truck. But we're on our way to a tire shop right now. I have the new tires in the back, or the new wheels in the back. So that'll be in a few minutes. I'm gonna be there, and we're gonna get some tires. And then I will surprise you on what they look like, because they're gonna look really fucking cool in this truck. So yeah, I did get Apple CarPlay in this truck. I installed the Sync 3 navigation system, and I'm running a Magic box too, so I'm on full wireless Apple CarPlay at the moment. Highly recommend that kit. It's a big upgrade for these trucks. So I'm driving right now to the tire shop, and then I guess I will show you once the tires are installed. So we got the tires installed. I'm on my way back to the shop now, and I am going to show you guys the new tires. So I hope you're ready. These things look really good, so I will see you then. So there's been a few things I've done to this truck since you've seen it last time. I got the windows tinted, 30% on the front, 5% on the sides. We put these fuel clash rims on just today. They look super good. We actually have the old man tires in the back here. Might be selling those, but inside of here we have, I installed a Sync 3 system, which I'm going to show you, which you'll see. This shit's super good. I highly recommend you get it if you want to upgrade your F-250 in this generation. It'll take a second to load because my phone's right here. But there it is, and it has full screen Apple CarPlay and all that. I didn't put the nav in, so it doesn't have that. You'll see it. Here's my nav, or my Apple CarPlay, I mean, everything. It's super good, super responsive. I have the Magic box. It's up here, somewhere. And then you have all this. You can adjust your climate control. I can put my cooled seats if I want. You know, all that. Super good, super responsive. I really like this system. What else? Everything else is pretty much the same. I haven't done a lot of other stuff yet. But that is coming, so stay tuned for that. That'll be very soon. So, hope you enjoyed the video. It was very short, but what do you do? And I guess I will see you in the next one.